is the shoe.
Ooh! 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 They gonna have to pull up when they pull up. All right, YouTube, it's me, Rashad, and I'm in New Orleans today doing a wave check with the Ocean Squad. What's good, y'all?
Yeah, Daddy, what's going on?
All right, man. I got one question. Who going first? I'll go first, y'all. All right. Oh, hold up. Let me get my brush real quick.
It's like that.
Good luck, me, y'all. I don't know what they looking like right now, man. This cut is not fresh. All right, man, that's me. I can't win, but one of y'all can win. The winner will win 3 3WP brushes of their choice, a crown brush, some do-rags, and whatever else I just feel like hooking you up with. Who next?
Hey, they came late.
One of y'all, come on, step in the circle.
Go over there. Go step in a circle.
Competition ready.
Step in a circle.
All right, you got us, bro. How long you been waving?
17 years, bro.
17 years and counting?
Yeah, bro. Ain't nothing new, man. Ain't nothing new.
Okay, OG with it. OG.
Let's see, let's see.
10 years. 10 years. 10 years worth of flawless. Ooh! Okay. I don't see one.
He winning now.
Oh, he put the bar.
He winning.
That bar high.
Pressure.
Yeah. Who next? I mean, shoot, I had to do it. Might as well. I've been waving since 8th grade. And I just got him on. He just hopped on the wave.
Oh, you just put him on game?
Yeah, I put him on game. See what I'm doing right now?
Appreciate you,
All right, I'm short.
What it is? She's short.
I'm short.
Let's go, y'all. We got the straight.
So how long you been waving, bro?
6 months.
Straight light.
I'm already seeing a little something.
Oh,
Okay, stay here, wait.
My left side weak.
That's in there, bro.
Y'all got to copy.
How long you been waving, bro?
since January.
January this year?
Yeah.
Let's see what he got. All right.
Don't cover now. Be confident, baby. Don't cover.
Go ahead, little man. Too much.
Y'all gotta lean down. I'm short. I'm not y'all height.
I got those 180s.
Okay, little bro. Hit that real quick. Oh yeah. Top man, everything you know.
I'm done.
Like 3 months, 3 months.
I've been waving since December, but I scalped in May.
Two-tone. Okay, two-tone with it.
Okay. Hey, he might be in the lead or draw with. Where you go?
OG right there.
That's a rock, paper, scissors battle right there. Who else?
All right, bestie.
I've been waiting for about a good year and a half. Part of the drip squad, you know.
Yes, sir.
On the ground.
You're my best friend. Yeah, bestie. Come on, bestie.
He different.
Hey, you can see it through the
Come on,
rag.
bestie.
What's that on the back?
Oh, my bad.
Oh, he said
Yeah.
y'all come
I
on
see
this
why
side.
he
Y'all
ain't
come on this
leave.
side. Come on.
Okay.
Let me see. Let me see.
Okay.
Hey, y'all not playing out here.
You see it?
Heavy hitter, huh?
They's not playing in New Orleans, man.
Do this for real.
What was he had? Was that a crown patch?
Yup. Yup.
Compression.
Do your thing, bestie. Yeah, bestie.
You about to have it
Crown patching, bestie. Yeah.
All right. One of y'all, man, jump in.
Man, hop in, brother.
Man, somebody drowning.
You a lifeguard? You
You want me to go before you, sir?
Is this a? Oh, y'all real lifeguards, huh?
Yeah.
I thought y'all was
Real definition.
I'm only 2 months in.
Only 2 months in.
2 months in, y'all heard me say. Let's see.
Goddamn.
We straight? That's good. Yeah, we straight, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm short now. I'm short.
Go get that. All right.
Hey, we got the lifeguards out here just in case anybody drown at this wave check. They certified.
Oh man, look, another waiver. Late. Buddy, you're late.
I'm light.
Come on, man. Take that off, bro.
Oh, you got the nice do-rag too.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, you got a fresh cut too.
All right.
He dipping through the rag.
Oh, you got a fresh cut.
I don't see it through the rag.
He said you like
I'm
that.
about to see it, dude.
Oh, he jumping. They jumping in.
Little man first. Let's see.
I got one more walking up.
Man, he better hurry up because he's taking forever.
Okay. How long you been waiting for, man?
About 2 months.
Okay, that's some good progress right there.
That's the last one right there walking up.
You on ragging or you just?
He just cut his dreads.
Okay, I feel it. He just laying it down right now.
Okay.
I got a silky do-rag for you in a second. Little man. Wave check.
Alright.
Say what it do? What it do? Leave his head alone before you pull it off. Yeah. Say what it do? What it do?
Okay. I see the pattern, man.
Oh, yeah, I see it too.
Quick, dipping on everybody.
All right, man. I appreciate y'all for coming. Oh, you ain't on rag, bro.
We got two.
I just cut my hair.
Oh, you gotta come on, you might.
I just cut my hair.
Do it for the culture.
So did I.
For the culture. You gotta put out this kitchen by yourself, man.
Red do-rag, red shirt.
You say you just cut it off?
I just cut it.
Okay.
On
Respect
Monday.
it, though. I see the little typos in there. Oh, he ain't no rag yet. What if he kill everybody off right now?
Okay.
Man, we got some heaters out here.
Nice little something. Nice little
You didn't even show the whole pattern off to the.
Show the pattern, bro. That's everything.
Yeah, right there. All right. Man. Oh, I ain't. Hey, there's no people.
You in there?
That's everybody? All right. All right, y'all, man. I appreciate all y'all for coming out, first of all. I know the lifeguards got to go back on duty, so we're going to make this quick. Man, I seen, like, how many people that was killing right now, y'all? Everybody's low-key. But it was a couple people who was really killing. My guy right here with the polo shirt on, step up.
All right, okay. Okay.
Step up, bro, with the gray shirt. All right. Let me see. Let me see the pattern, bro. Yeah, step up. Oh, you know you gotta step up.
All right, bestie. Bestie.
Hashtag crown patch.
Hashtag crown patch.
All right. Do anybody think they deserve to be in this winning lineup with them? Oh, step right here if you think you deserve to be in this winning lineup with them. Let me see. I'm gonna save you for the second round. Let me see, bro. Ah, it is deserving, so you can step in there. You're whooping right now, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to save you. I'm gonna have to save you for the second round. All right. All right, y'all, man. Y'all killing right now. This is gonna be a hard one. I don't know how I'm gonna do a 3-way rock, paper, scissors challenge. Or a 4. Rock, paper, scissors battle royale. All right? That's what we doing. So y'all two gonna rock, paper, scissors. Y'all two gonna rock, paper, scissors.
And the winner gonna be here?
I need one more person to step in here. You, step right on in. You gonna rock, paper, scissors him. All right? This is actually.
Are we going on shoot or?
Actually.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Actually, let me see. Dang, this is difficult. This is difficult. I wanted to pick a winner right now because I'm like, damn, y'all two, I'm gonna leave this up to chance.
Pick a winner.
You said pick a winner?
Pick a winner. Pick a winner.
I'm dipping.
All right, I'm gonna go into the rule book. No cap. Should I could do a rule book win for the grand prize and then have for second prize winner and third prize winner. Y'all could do the battle royale. All right. So rule book win is when you have. I don't make this rule. Flawless is a big thing, right? Within the culture. So depending on how many forks you have, that can eliminate you. Also, crown. Crown is actually a big thing too. Even though I personally don't be like stressing over my crown, I don't make the rules. So you gotta have a nice locked in crown to win. All right? And from what I seen, man, can I have y'all face that way? What I seen, face that way more, so the sun can hit it, yeah. From what I seen, a lot of y'all got some locked in crowns. But what I'm gonna judge is by the depth of your crown locked inness, if that makes sense. So if your crown looking kind of light, I can't just assume that that's locked in, you know? Yeah, right. You better talk to your barber and tell him to leave your crown one guard higher. So I'm gonna need you to step right here next to him. Yeah, take a step this way. Man. So I'm gonna need y'all two to step up right here. Y'all can turn this way. But y'all two step up. These two right here. So the reason why I picked y'all two to step up is because, like I was saying, y'all patterns is locked in all around. Now, we gonna go into the rule book right here, because both y'all crowns locked in too, and both y'all had a full 360. So we're gonna try and count forks. But at the same time, that's kind of unfair because y'all have two different textures. And so he got a chance to get more forks because his curl pattern has more curls. So I'm gonna have to give both y'all the W. That's a draw. That's a draw. So what's good, bro? How I feel to be a victor?
Feel good. People said I wasn't gonna make it.
They said you was gonna make it?
They said I wasn't gonna make it. Talking about scout.
Nah.
All that hard
All right. But low key, this ain't even a draw. What we gonna do right here is just separate it. Or, no, that's a draw. I was gonna say you could be the straight hair king on this one. You could be just the regular, but that don't even matter. Both of y'all the real winners. How I feel, bro?
Came a long way, man.
You beat out some pretty good waivers over here. Take a look at them, man.
Hey, I said I'm a contender. I didn't say I was gonna win.
Hey, they swimming though.
They
is
on top.
I said
Especially
contender.
OG back here.
Let's see what the waves look like. The crown? They want to see the crown.
All right.
I ain't making this up. I can't make this up. All right. So, y'all right here. I appreciate y'all for coming out. Y'all waves are magnificent. Battle Royale. Rock, paper, scissors.
All right, are we going on shoot? Like,
Best 2 out of 3.
How we gonna do it?
All right, we're going to do that first and then y'all come.
all right.
Sudden death. So if you lose automatically.
Yeah. All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Best 2 out of 3.
There's one more. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh! 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 You gotta beat one of them now, but let's see who went out of them. Sudden death. Who won that? Wait, who won that?
Okay. All right, let's do this.
Let's take a look at your waves real quick. All right. The sun going away. We're gonna take a look at your waves. Okay. This for that runner-up prize.
All right, when you go, on your nose. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You beat me. You beat me.
Go again.
Nah.
Go again, I got you.
Wait, what happened?
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. All right, you beat me.
How I feel to win?
Hey, man.
Runner up.
Look, man. I supposed to win first.
The rule book don't say that, bro.
Nah.
But your waves is
good.
different. It's surprising that you won because
I've been woofing for 4 months.
you was the weakest contender in that lineup, bro. But you woofing.
I've been woofing for 4 months. You seen the picture.
You beat my rock, paper, scissors, not by hair. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, because his shine is awesome right now.
Look,
Let me go get a cut.
All I'm saying is
Let
this.
me go get a cut.
I make my own shea butter. I make my own shit. You feel me? I got my own little shine.
They might be mad at me in the comments. They're gonna be, how you let him win?
They gonna curse at you.
Nah, but he won that one.
He won.
Just off the rock, paper, scissors,
Yeah,
luck, you know?
He rolled off rock, paper, scissors. I ain't saying you got it. You got it.
But I'm telling you though, I just need a haircut.
I got a haircut, so. That's all I'm saying.
He upset right now. I feel it. No, but I got grand prize winners right here. I got something for y'all. That's you right there. Wait, do you want that one?
Yes, sir.
You want which other two do you want from right here? I'll just let you grab it.
I like this black and gold.
Who that Saints color?
And one more, huh?
Yeah, one more.
Fiery
He
red.
got that fiery black edition. And I got some do-rags for you at the end of this too. Your turn, bro.
All right.
Just pick the ones you want.
Gotta get that fiery black.
Uh-huh.
What else they got? This handle. That's like this.
That's that Lagoon Blue. That one's a medium
Oh yeah.
hard.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that. And it's that red, right?
Yeah, that's that new red edition.
Need that too.
All right. Congratulations on the win.
Appreciate it.
I appreciate y'all for coming out. It was another winner, right?
It was him. Oh, I forgot I won the rock, paper, scissors.
What is that?
A
What
duck.
bird is that?
This all you right here, bro.
Oh, appreciate it.
No problem.
I'm still gonna cop a crown brush though.
All right.